Sports has become the most favorite career one is choosing nowadays. Once we see people winning medals, we like to applaud them, listen to their failure and success stories, ask them for suggestions, and we see them as torchbearers. But have you ever thought of the one with whose help they have achieved this position? In every sportsperson life, there is one person who dreams and struggles more than the player, who inspires and influences, who paved the best path, who is still unrecognized, but without that one person, all these medals cannot be achieved. That one who makes you number one is called coach. On National Coach Day, let's know about few eminent coaches. 1. Pullala Gopichand. He is a former Indian badminton player and established a coaching academy who produced some of the best Indian badminton players like Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Sai Praneeth, Parupalli Kashyap, Shrikant Kidambi, Arundhati Pantavin, Gurusai Dutt and Arun Vishnu. Under his coaching, India won 2 Olympic and 4 World Championship medals. 2. Ramakant Achrekar. He gave us the greatest cricketer in the history of the sport. He coached Sachin Tendulkar, Vinod Kambli, Ajay Tagarkar, Praveen Amre and Sanjay Bangar. 3. Satpal Singh. He won gold medal at 1982 Asian Games. He started a Pehelwani training center because he knew that with minimal funds and poor training facilities, Indian wrestlers could not perform beyond a certain limit. Under his coaching, Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt have brought India 3 Olympic medals. 4. Mahavir Singh Phogat. Mahavir is a real-life hero for many women wrestlers in India. He is father and coach of famed Phogat sisters Geeta and Babita Kumari and their cousin Vinesh. 5. O.M. Nambiar. He is the first winner of the Dronacharya Award. When he was an Air Force officer, O.M. Nambiar dreamt of wearing the Indian blazer as a sports person. But that did not work and he decided to become a coach instead. He spotted PT Usha and coached the Paioli Express PT Usha to unprecedented heights through rigorous and tough training. 6. L. Obamcha Singh. He is National Games gold medalist in boxing in 1981. He established a boxing academy in Manipur to train youth from the state. He has trained students like Olympic bronze medal winner MC Mary Kom and Asian Games gold medalist Dinko Singh. 7. Richard Williams. Richard Williams had to teach himself tennis so that he could coach his daughters. Richard Williams first picked up a racket when he heard a commentator on TV saying that a tennis player had earned thousands of dollars in a week. Then wrote a 78-page plan on how to train his daughters. And the plan proved to be effective as the daughters brought 47 Grand Slams. 8. Bob Bowman. He is an American swimming coach. Bowman is best known as the coach of record-breaking American swimmer Michael Phelps. Michael won 28 Olympic medals, including 23 gold medals, plus 3 silver and 2 bronze. 9. Glenn Mills. Glenn Mills is a sprinting athletics coach from Jamaica. He is currently head coach of the Racers Track Club, which includes world and Olympic record holder Usain Bolt and the 100-meter world champion Johan Blake. Coach is the bridge between hard work and success. Behind every successful sportsperson, there is a coach. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.